Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to talk about solving inequalities with one, many, or no solutions. Just like equations with one, many, or no solutions, inequalities are practically the same. So here we go. Alright, first equation. We've got 3x plus 5 is greater than 3x plus 4. So let's go ahead, set up our t-chart, and solve it just like we would any other equation. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. I get 3x is greater than 3x minus 1. Subtract 3x from both sides. I get 0 is greater than negative 1. Now, if you remember back from our equations, we ended up with 0 is equal to negative 1, and that was a false statement. However, 0 is greater than negative 1. That's the statement that we have for our inequality. Is that a true statement or a false statement? Is 0 greater than negative 1? Well, that is a true statement. Okay, so because it is a true statement, our answer becomes all real numbers. Whereas before, if it's a false statement, it would have been no solution. So the difference is here, you can't just look at the equations, you actually have to do them out, solve it down, get down to your final answer, and then look and say, is it true or false? Because I know some of the equations you could say, oh, well, if I have 3 of something and I add 5, and then before when I had 3 of something and I added 4, those are obviously not equal. However, on this one, when we're looking at greater than or less than, it's not always the case. Alright, let's take a look at another one. Alright, so we've got 4x minus 18 less than 2 times 2x minus 9. So again, we have to distribute property. So we got 4x minus 18, and we got 4x minus 18. And we got our less than symbol. So let's go through and finish this one out. So t-chart, add 18 to both sides, just like that. Rest of 4x is less than 4x. Subtract 4x from both sides, and we end up with 0 is less than 0. Is that a true statement? Is 0 less than 0? Well, the easy answer is simple. This is a false statement. 0 is not less than 0. So because it's false, there's no real answer or no solution. Pretty straightforward, huh? Let's take a look at another one. Alright, so again, we have to simplify all this stuff. So I'm going to 2x minus 12, 3x minus 4, greater than or equal to 9x plus 10 minus 4x minus 26. And I apologize for the marker being so loud. Alright, combine like terms on the left. 3x and 2x gives us 5x. Negative 4 and negative 12 gives me a negative 16. Greater than or equal to, switch colors, 9x minus 4x is 5x, 10 minus 26 is negative 16. And let's go through, add 16 to both sides, finish this one out. 5x greater than or equal to 5x, subtract 5x, we get 0 is greater than or equal to 0. Is this a true statement? Is 0 greater than or equal to 0? Well, it's equal to. So in this case, this is a true statement. And because it's true, we end up with all real numbers as a solution. So that's it for inequalities. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. If again, just like equations. So if you have any questions, check your notes, ask a friend, and as always, come see me if all that fails, but I don't think it will. Have a great day. I'm Mr. Weeks.